These are newer. Make sure you guys double check what that is a kit you're gonna get for free. Tools is this charger. We got top deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, to start here, we got some clearance. 154 down from 219. 40 volts. That's what it looks like. Alright, so and then here's a combo. So this is, you got a string trimmer and blower. This one's 210. This is a 40 volts down from 299. $90 down from 159 for the jet fan blower. 40 volts. It's already sold out. I just saw somebody walked out with it, by the way. Expanded 10-inch. It is an attachment. Another 40 volt jet fan blower, $90. Yeah, somebody just walked out with one of those. And that's an attachment as well. So 160 down from 199 for a 10-inch chainsaw. That's it right there. Pretty nice. This comes with the 4 amp hour battery. You got an 18 volt combo kit. 200 down from 299. Got a gas chainsaw, 18-inch. 333 down from 369. Same here with this one. They're already sold out on those, but tags are still good because you find them at your store. You get $70 for that one. That's a hatchet, and then you got the Gen 2 trimmer, 126 40 volts. Here's another one, down from 179. That's what it looks like. Not too bad. $90 out from 99. Toro power jet leaf blower. That's it right there. It is not cordless. It is corded. 159 down from 299 for the 8-inch chainsaw and pole saw. Guys, we got this mower on clearance. I don't know. They're gonna have a new one. I don't know what's up. Maybe the batteries are old. 517 down from 899. That's a killer deal on that one. All-wheel drive mower. So definitely check it out. You got the 5 amp hour battery on clearance for $99 down from $189. And you got some another 13-inch mower from Ryobi, 147 down from 249. That thing has no power whatsoever, guys. So a 16-inch reel mower, 102. So that's gonna be you power that one, right? You got the DeWalt walkie-talkies here. This is 113 down from 119. That is, and then you got the 2 watt, a little bit more power, 142 for these. They come with chargers and all that. And then you got the Cobra 2-way radios for 33 down from 34. Those are $47. Alright, a clearance section. We got some Milwaukee and DeWalt. Alright, so this is a M12 pack-out floodlight for $149. Make sure you guys double check with your associate. It might be cheaper. It might be pennies. It might be $1. It might be even more than that. So who knows. 15 degree roofing nailer. This was $3.99 down for $4.39. You got a rolling toolbox there for $59.98. Anvil 24-inch. That's what it looks like. Nobody's buying this thing. It might be on even lower. Who knows, because nobody's buying it. Husky 16-inch wrench rack set there. So for the toolbox, for the drawers, pretty nice. Got some oscillating blades, 8-piece, $30 off from $39. You got a high performance starter kit, $149, and then $129 for the brushless 2 half-an-inch drill kit, and then $229 for the brushless hammer drill impact. And then you got this Milwaukee light, $59.97. Looks $500. A miter saw. This was really nice. The miter saw, $549, down from $649. Not bad. It is a dual bevel 12-inch slider. Alright, so you got buy one, get one free. These are newer deals. Just dropped maybe about a week ago. Last time I posted. So you buy any of the tools on the left there, and then you get the right starter kit there for free. Basically, valued at $179. The impact wrench is pretty good. The ratchet, all those are pretty good. Those are that is a kit you're gonna get for free. And those are some of the tools there. Drywall cutout tool. And you got the screw gun there at the bottom. $29.97 for the 2 amp fully automatic battery charger. That's not bad. 6 volt, 12 volts. Wet gel AGM. $99.98 for the lithium jump starter and USB power bank. That's not bad. Alright. Got a hammer. 12-ounce steel curved hammer. $14.88. You get a push and flip folding knife. Basically a fastback from the Milwaukee, right? $12.49. And then you got a torpedo level. Pretty decent. If you guys look closely, it does have the angles there. So, pretty nice angles. And then you got a tough series tape measure, $24.97. Pretty much like a Fat Max style. If you guys want to sport the DeWalt name, there you go. And then we got some bigger tools, or flexible tools. So this is the reciprocating saw, 60 bolts, and then you got a rear handle circular saw and a sidewinder. Alright, so these are newer. I haven't seen these before, so I would say these are new. You got a blower with battery and charger for $199. You got $319 for the 18 gauge brand nailer. $399 for the angled finish nailer with the 2 amp hour battery. You got an 18 gauge narrow crown stapler with 2 amp hour battery. So all those come with batteries. I don't know if they come with chargers or not. With batteries, they do come. You got $988 for the 6-piece spade bit set plus 2 bonus blades. So these kits are getting smaller. I don't know. They're just inflation, right? $29.88 for these Diablo blades. You get a steel demon with it and a demolition. $4.88 for the medium black cut 1 level gloves for the Milwaukee. Got some nice hats there to the left. $19.97. You got the work skin there for $44.97. $24.97 for the dual non-contact voltage tester. That's pretty handy to have, especially if you're, DIY and want to have something like that. Got a nice bucket seat here, guys, for fishing, hunting, motor sports. Even if you guys doing brake jobs and stuff like that around the house or repairs, that's pretty nice. And then, want to keep the garage safe, you got to add a video camera or a security camera. You can add. Actually, I just did a video on these, and they were about $300-400 plus with the doorbell. So make sure you guys stay tuned or keep an eye out for those. I believe you might want to check those online still if they still are available. You got some neck fans there and some just regular fans, personal fans, and some more Alexa stuff on clearance. All right, toolboxes. This is a really nice toolbox here. This one's $398. It is a 52-inch 10 drawer in black. All right, you got this gray one. This one's pretty nice. $398 for the 2-piece. I got from $498, I believe. Yeah. And those are the drawers. They are self-closing. And guys, one of the newer tools is this charger. This is a DeWalt Touch System charger. That's what the insides look like. It does have a fan inside, so that's pretty nice. My guess is if you're going to use the charger, you have to leave the lid up. Otherwise, it's going to overheat. Who knows? That's what it looks like. That's the back. Got the cord there, a USB Type-C. That's pretty nice. Everything's built in on this thing. Ready to rock and roll, basically. Alright, and that's what it looks like on the outside when it's packaged up. It is IP55 rated, and you can charge both batteries at the same time. Alright, you got another one on clearance, 109, that from 139. It's an angle grinder. Guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one.